So literally, if a full-time teacher can do this, you can do it. There's no technical skills needed. You set this up once and you're good to go. And yeah, all the strategies I'm going to show you today, how you can actually generate an income with crypto, they're totally passive, okay? They're totally automated. And yeah, anybody can do this, okay? I'm living proof, and I have a testimonial here from one of our beta testers. This lady is called Rosemary Fairley. She's actually from the UK, but she lives in France. And Rosemary is 72 years of age. Definitely doesn't look it. And she gave us this lovely testimonial about the strategies that we taught her as a beta tester. And I'll just read out very, very quickly. She said, I finally went through all the videos, and all I can say is, wow, I was not interested in cryptocurrency, but the way Aidan has laid out the training, I was certainly investing in it. It is so easy to follow the steps and start investing in crypto. Even a novice can do it. He has covered everything that we need to know to start making money. I like the way he takes out half of his investment and reinvests it in other coins. That way, one can build up our portfolio. I would certainly recommend this program. Now, I'm going to touch on what she mentioned in our last part of our testimonial about taking out half our investment and reinvesting it somewhere else. But that's a real testimonial from a real person, 72 years of age. Again, I want to reinforce that anybody can do what we're going to show you on this call.
So,
okay. Go ahead.
Just want to say, Rosemary's one of my students, guys, and she's 72. She was like, I don't want to get involved in crypto. Once she went through the videos and understood what we're now going to show you, she absolutely loves it now. I keep in touch with her probably 3 or 4 times a week. And Tom's mentioned something about back in 2018, a fairly popular internet marketer made millions with a crypto bot. This is nothing to do with any of that nonsense, guys. No. Okay, this is nothing like that. You need to cast aside all those. Like I got stung 5 figures in one of these things. I'll never do something like that again. It's nothing like that, Tom. You'll give it a bit of time. You'll really understand that. And Warren, I loved your comment about turning art into an NFT. That's exactly. You're going to love this presentation. Sorry, I know it's what.
No, it's cool. No problem, Wayne. So I'm going to start off with, like, again, I'm not sure what everyone's level of experience. There seems to be a lot of people who've obviously heard of crypto, and some of you may have invested in already. Some of you may be brand new to it. I'm just going to shoot it into the middle here and just presume that most people have heard of crypto. But I just want to really just go through some quick things that if I was to start doing crypto all over again, these are probably the most important things that I would need to do starting off, okay? And the first thing you need to do is set up an account on a coin exchange. That's the very, very first thing you'll do in crypto investing. You need to buy your crypto somewhere. So the first thing you want to do is get set up on a coin exchange. Now, one of the best ones I would get set up on is Binance. And the reason Binance, it's probably one of the biggest coin exchange that has an array of all these different crypto coins that, like, everyone knows Bitcoin and Ethereum and so on, but Binance has a huge collection of all these different projects that you can actually invest in. So that's the very first thing you're going to do. You're going to get set up on a coin exchange, and the coin exchange is the place where you actually invest and actually buy the coin. So the second